How to delete Google Chrome history in PC or laptop. So if you want to delete the Google Chrome history in your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Once you're under the three dots, now you just need to simply go with the history section. Once you're under the history section, now you just need to simply click on history again. And here you need to go with the left side, which has delete browsing data. Click on it, and now you will have two things, which is basic and advanced. You need to go with the advanced section. Under advanced, you can select browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, passwords and other sign-in data, autofill from data, or site settings, hosted app data. You can simply choose those. For example, I'll be choosing browsing history and cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. And here you will have the time range. You can simply select the time range. For example, I'll be choosing all time and go with delete data. That's how you can delete your Google Chrome history in your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.